Španělský pohár. After a good weekend in Belgium, now we are in Spain. Jarama is a special place for truck racing. A very good atmosphere, you will see a lot of people around, but it's also very important for Antonio Albacete. He's a local hero. Yesterday, he gave his trucks to a Formula One driver, Carlos Sainz Jr., test for the first time a truck. That's a very good sign for our sport.
Oh yes, very special. Second European title. Yeah, I'm very happy because we were very strong in the whole season. So I'm very thankful for the team.
I think the race is perfect because we have a double with David here in Jarama, and I think it's best feeling what we have.
Jarama, it's also really special for the atmosphere. We have a big audience.
And then in the first 2 or 3 laps I was faster again, but then I feel that I cannot keep up again, and my front tires are fading, and I cannot really do what I could do in the first couple of laps.
Yeah, we have today, it's a good day and it's a bad day. The time practice, it's in bad condition, and today we have a lot of problems on bad condition. And the strategy, it works. The strategy is the first race in the first row for the second race, and we can win. So I'm very happy.